Hi fellows, today I will show you how to install EasyTag sticker on normal size vehicles. So here's the package I received. Let's open it. So here you will see EasyTag sticker as well as instructions, paper and alcohol wipe to clean the area. The measuring scale I normally fold it like this to measure from top to bottom on the windshield. Normally they suggest to make a gap of 4 inch from top, but here you see there are dotted pattern on the windscreen that you have to avoid. So below that you can paste the EasyTag sticker. Now check out the sticker and paste it safely on the windshield below the dotted pattern on the right side. So it should be on the right side and behind the center mirror. So this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching.